Okay, simple. Above ground pool preparation, installation. Pretty easy stuff if you make it easy. If you make it hard, it's gonna be hard. I'm gonna make this simple for you. Hopefully, we got the above ground pool. You're gonna get a 2x4. Depending on the size of your pool. If I got it like a 12 foot, you want to cut the 2x4 half that amount. I've got a 10 foot pool, so I have a 5 foot. Cut that in half, drill a hole in the end. Get yourself some threaded rod. Put that in the end. Tape your level on it. You're gonna put that in the ground wherever you want to put your pool. Before you start leveling off the ground, you're gonna have this thing on a pivot. This is gonna go around, all the way around, you see. As you go, you will take your shovel and skim off the dirt. Simple, simple, until you get yourself around. Once that 2x4 goes around full diameter, obviously keeping it as level as possible as you go, then throw some sand down. Get the sand down. You're going to do the same thing as you put the sand down. Just run the 2x4 around in the circle, flat, level. Set your pool on there and slowly fill it up. That should do it. It's not hard. Videos make it look hard, but get it ground level and you're good to go. Hopefully that works.